Hello, dear children. You all know that keeping ourselves healthy is very much important. As we have heard a very much famous saying, health is wealth, which means a healthy man is always successful in every means of life. On the screen, you may see the following healthy habits kids should follow, which include brush or comb your hair twice a day to keep the tangles out, and never share your comb or brush. Second one, keep fingernails and toenail clean and trim them once a week. Bath time is usually best for trimming and cleaning under the nails. Third one, take a bath or shower once a day. Wash your hair with shampoo often. Fourth one, always wash your hands with soap and water before eating, after playing outside, after going to bathroom and after coughing and sneezing. Fifth one, wear fresh clothes every day. Even if your old clothes don't smell. Clean underwear is especially important. Sixth one, go to bed at about the same time every night and spend some time doing a quiet activity such as reading a book or listening to music. The last one, brush your teeth twice a day after breakfast and before going to. Now children, it is story time. Through this story, we will be able to know the advantages of being healthy and consequences of being unhealthy. Okay, in this slide, you will see a boy named Saurabh. He is a healthy boy. He gets up early in the morning and brushes his teeth and takes baths every day. He keeps his body neat and clean. He never forgets combing his hair and trimming his nails. He wears clean socks and shoes. He also keeps his room neat and clean. Children, in this slide we will see a girl named Neha. She also wears neat and clean clothes. She keeps her room and house very clean. She helps her mother in cleaning house and lawn. She is very healthy, alert and smart. She also prays to God. For praying, she folds her hand and bows her head. She goes to the market with her father and mother to buy the things. And do you know children? Everyone in the neighborhood loves Saurabh and Neha. Do you know why? Because they are healthy, they listen to their elders and they help the elders. Children, here you will see a girl named Akriti. She looks sad, weak and sick. Do you know why she is looking so sad? Very good. She is ill, that's why she is looking so sad. She does not have any good habit. She never gets up early in the morning. She does not keep her body neat and clean. She does not brush her teeth daily. She does not help her mother too. That is why nobody likes to talk to her. Children, by this you will be able to know that you should keep your body neat and tidy. If you are clean, you will be active and fit. You should not eat dirty and uncovered food, fruits and other eatables sold in the market. And it is very much famous saying that goes like this: cleanliness is next to godliness. Children, now this is time for doing some exercises based on this concept. Now the first question is, answer the following question. And the first question is, what type of boy is Saurabh? We have studied Saurabh is a healthy boy. The second one is, why everyone loves Saurabh and Neha? And the answer is, everyone loves Saurabh and Neha because they are healthy, neat and clean and very helping in nature. The third one is, do you get up early in the morning? Children, you have to be very honest while answering this question and you have to write yes or no. The fourth one is Akriti a good girl? No, because she has bad habits. Children, the next question is take the activities you should do and cross that you should not do. The first picture is about a boy who is taking bath. So, we should take bath daily to keep ourselves clean. And hence we will take this picture. The second picture is about a boy who is eating uncovered, unhealthy food having flies on it. So we will cross it. The third one is a boy is sleeping and the sun is out. We should not wake up late. So hence we will cross this picture. Now children, the last one. You have to write yes or no in the boxes given in the front of the every sentence. And children, you have to be very honest while answering these questions. The first question is, you brush your teeth daily. The second one, you take bath daily. The third one, you keep your body clean. Fourth one, you wear clean clothes. Fifth one, you forget to comb your hairs. The sixth one, you like Neha or Akriti. You have to tick in front of the name of the girl you like the most. Okay? Now children, here comes the end of this chapter. You have to follow all the activities given in this chapter to be neat and clean.